today?
In the pool.
To the beach.
The
Beach, and who are we going to see?
Mom, Dad, and Mikey.
And Mikey, and who else?
Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah, and Isla and Jacoby.
Alfie.
Alfie, and Lee. And Auntie Mies and Uncle Koki. Anyway, we are off to Margate now? Plans have changed because there's a marathon going on. Okay, I'll show them Zozo in a second, okay? So we're off for a family catch-up at Margate. So it'll be good to see all the family. Well, most of the family. All the family that's in Australia anyway. So that'll be good. And how cute, Leah and I matching.
Tandem friends.
Cute. Oh, where's Zoe go? I can't see her. Where are you, miss?
Right there
Yeah, I know she's in a capsule, but I can't. Oh, the sun's blinding her. And Alfie Wadey?
my auntie means.
Your Auntie Mies today. Okay, hello Auntie Mies. You're funny. Show what? Where's Koki?
Right down.
Oh, there's Uncle Koki.
Have we shown them the inside of the new car yet?
I don't know. This is our new car.
And the cafe.
The what, babe?
Cafe. The cafe.
Cafe.
Yeah.
Oh, McCafe.
Yeah.
That's so bad that he knows that.
So Alfie's just seen that McDonald's sign and said McCafe. Because we obviously never buy coffee there.
Someone obviously knows where coffee comes from.
Well, at least it's coffee and not like
Actual
he's
matters.
saying like Happy Meal or something. So
Yeah, that's right.
that's alright. Coffee's alright. Because we need coffee, don't we? Well,
Always.
not you, but Mummy and Daddy. Hey! It's such a beautiful day too. It's a little bit windy, but I think once we'll be in the sun, it'll be nice. So that's good. Also, quick disclaimer, not sure what we're going to be able to film because it is quite windy and I haven't made a little windbreaker thing. So it's probably just going to be a little like montage of clips today. So enjoy that.
Hello to Jack.
What?
All these people to say hello to.
Hi. Who's that? Hi. He's so smiley.
No.
Beautiful day.
What are you up to, chunky monk? You having cuddles with Auntie Sammy?
Yeah, right. Trying to stand up.
How cold's the water?
It's freezing.
Yeah.
So cold.
And put Zoe in for a dip.
First swim. Hey. You want the shovel, darling? Where is it?
Right there.
Oh yeah, it's done.
Oh. There you go. Use that one. That will be easier. Wow, that's a big one. No, this like a scoop.
To push it all down.
That's small enough. I
Good work.
So, but it's, yeah, it just falls.
Do you know how to make a sandcastle? Did Mummy show you? Yeah, she did. Okay. Good job, mate. What are these two best friends up to, eh?
Huh?
You digging a hole? Good job, babe.
You love her. You love her. Good job, Alfie.
Muzo, I don't think anyone wants the wet sand, but that's really cute how you're trying to pass it off to people, but
Thank you. I'll take it. Thank you. Get it off. Look at his legs. Oh my gosh, they are huge.
Alfie, what are you doing?
sharing wet sand with Auntie Mies that she doesn't want. What's your band, mister?
Thank you. Oh, what's the way? Oh. Ready? Put your hands out. It's cold, isn't it?
Let's do a head count. Is anyone up there?
Beck's just feeding Zoe.
I might go change his nappies. He's super wet.
Oh, you go ask Auntie Mies if she wants some.
Mom, just saying, Logan's gonna have a sandy butt now.
Auntie Mies wants some.
Anytime.
Ask and you shall receive. That was a bit cheeky, mate. Let's not do that again.
It's alright, you're only $180 this year, so it's okay. Now they're fine, honestly, I thrashed them.
It's okay, not on my leg, no.
Just in case you're feeling left out.
Thank you.
I
Could you wipe your
appreciate
hands? Okay, rub them together. That's it, rub them all off. Good job. Still a bit wet. We'll get some wipes, don't worry.
Don't you waste that milk. Don't you waste that milk. Oh my God, so sweet. I haven't got glasses in now. I haven't got glasses in now. Look at my glasses. I'm going to go find a better water.
Hello. Are you with your dad? Are you with your dad?
Photo of Logie eating his lunch.
Yeah.
Smile.
Hello.
You stay on this bit, okay? Because the bikes are going really fast. All right, we'll stay here. Don't go on the sand again. Look, what is it? A pelican. Oh my goodness. It is really cool. It's going for a swim. It must be really cold, hey? Because the water was freezing.
Okay, hello.
Hello, pelican.
Oh, me.
Nice to meet you. What food have you got?
Oh, I got what?
Baba, baba, puppy.
What food?
Baba,
Some chippies. The Auntie Sammy's chippies. You've already eaten all these ones with Mummy and Daddy, hey?
And
Yeah. They good?
basically like
The lemon? The melon?
Melon. You're a melon head.
Up. What are we going to do with them? Pardon?
in Brisbane.
We'll recycle them, won't we? Like the cans, yeah.
Yeah.
You're crazy. Hello, cans. There she is. You love Auntie Mies, don't you? The babies were sleeping before, but of course Zoe girl woke up.
So her delivery
Hey.
ranges from like 5 to 10.
And Jackaboo's there, isn't he?
So it have to be like 30 to 40 minutes. Which is like better than what you
Hello.
Hello.
It's Alfie's Adventures.
It is Alfie's Adventures. We're back, aren't we? We just got back from the beach. We had a nice, lovely morning with the family. We had a good play. Alfie had a little bit of a dip in the water. Daddy didn't because it was too cold. I think Mummy dipped her toes in as well, but everyone had a nice, lovely time. We had a little bit of food and a nice little catch up with everyone, so that was really nice. Now we are back home. Can you say, we're home? No? Okay. We are getting ready. We're going to go to the shops this afternoon. We've got some grocery shopping to do, and we also need to grab a couple of other things. So we're going to do that. This is my bracelet, isn't it? What's on that one, do you know? Alright. Let me show everyone. That's a Z. Who's the Z for? Zozo. And who's the A for?
Alfie.
Good job. Cruise ship. And what's that one?
A bus
A bus. And where's the bus from?
from England.
From England, that's right. It's a London bus. Me and Mummy got it when we went on our first trip to London together. We got matching ones. Hey. What else are we going to do this afternoon? Alright. Are we going to go and have a big play somewhere?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mummy, have we got anything else planned this afternoon?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Just having a run around.
Yeah, careful. Go for a run round, go have a big play, burn lots of energy, don't touch the screen. What are you doing?
Standing down.
What are you showing them?
Yeah.
What are you trying to show them?
Down bikes.
You want them to see your bikes, they can't see them. Out there's Alfie's balance bike. Through there is 2 other bikes and his scoop. He was determined to show everyone. Alright, can you say bye for now?
Bye. Down that one in my door.
Alright, we'll show them later. Can you say bye for now? Say see you.
Bye.
Oh, it is a hole.
That's cool.
A cool one. What's Daddy doing?
Getting my bike.
He's getting your bike. And then what are we going to do?
The football.
Go for a walk and get your football? Hey, Missy Moo, you ready to go for a walk? Oh, here he is. Hello.
I carry.
Oh, hello, Chloe. All right. Ready, fam?
I'm carrying.
You ready, Missy Moo Moo?
I carry.
Hey, you want your dumb?
Slow down by the road.
You want this? Oh, boo. There we go. That better? Oh, do you want it? Yes, no? No. Okay.
So we're currently out on a walk, not too far from our complex. We're actually just around the corner. We came out yesterday, we didn't film anything, but we came out yesterday just to go for a walk. And recently Alfie's been collecting cans and bottles to recycle them and get his 10 cents back. We've also had quite a few people be pretty generous and donate some to us. So we've got quite a few bags, and wherever out and about we just try and find what we can. But we ended up, Alfie was reluctant to sleep yesterday, so we ended up walking around for about 2 hours, during which time Beck and I actually got quite excited as we found about 30 bottles, which is only $3, but nonetheless it became quite exciting. So whilst we're out and about, we're going to see if we can find some more. Alfie's going to have a roll around, might have a kick of the ball, and we're not too far from the playground that's being built, so we'll perhaps show you the playground in development. But for now, there goes Alfie on an adventure. How ironic. Let's go.
What's your hat?
Your hat's going to face.
Abo taking. Abo. Abo taking. Abo taking. Abo. Abo.
Zoe and I are just chilling on the grass while Alfie and Lee, they've just gone past all the fencing, but they're over there. Alfie's riding his bike and I'm just hanging out with this cheeky monkey. Hey, beautiful. Can you tell everyone a story?
You tell everyone a story.
Whoa, really?
What else?
Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Look at this hair. He's getting bigger, aren't ya? Oops, your socks come off. Oh no, your socky came off. Too much kicking. Too much kicking. Hey. Oh, beautiful girl. Hey, you're getting so big, aren't ya? You'll be 12 weeks on Wednesday. Hey. Crazy. Yeah. Crazy baby. Hey. They've gone all the way around the playground. You can take your hat off if you like, because it's not sunny here. Good climbing. You gonna go down the slide? Oh, I tried to catch him, but it just didn't work. You right? Maybe don't lie down, darling. You gonna climb up here? Bye. Alright, sit up straight. Alright, sit up, sit up. Oh. You're crazy. You can hold it. Ready?
I think monkey bars.
You are doing monkey bars.
I think that I'm going.
Ready? Let go. Ready? Let go. Hello, I'm a monkey.
I'm saying I gave up.
Alright. Up, up, up. Don't lay down. Alfie. You are crazy.
I'm saying I do tiptoe.
Tiptoe. Okay, you do tiptoe.
Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe.
Look at those calves. Look at those calves.
You've got stuff.
Pardon?
I ain't got hands.
You got hands, yeah, and you've got calves. You've got big old calves, haven't you?
I got calves. I got calves.
You do have calves. Whee! Alright, ready? Hang on, stay there.
Yeah, boy.
What?
Yeah. Tiptoe boy. Monkey bar.
Monkey bars.
Monkey bars. B.
Alright.
B.
Ready? Are you alright? Oops. Brush it off.
What? This one?
That's Bark.
What this one?
Here's Bark. Bark. He's Bark. Oh, goodness me. Is that good?
Yeah.
Do you want to show everyone?
Name.
The moon.
The thing up there.
The moon up there.
The web.
The web?
And say
Oh, I don't think they'll be able to see it, darling. There's like one string. You'll just catch it in the sunshine. That's like from that tree.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I don't think they can see it, darling.
Oh, the Alfie.
Moving. Goodness me. On our way home, hey.
Go back.
Oh, okay. We'll go home and we can call Nanny and Granddad. Oh, goodness. We don't want to do that because then you'll fall off. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, no. You have an accident. Alfie down.
What's my name?
No, what's your name?
Chloe.
Okay, Chloe. Let's go. Let's go home.
Chloe back.
Do you want me to carry it?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to walk?
I'm pushing.
Oh, do you want me to push you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, ready? You steer. You have to steer straight. Whee! Whoa, no, you're going into the bush. Ah, back it up, back it up, back it up. Oh, it's all downhill now. Alright, through this bit. It is a gate. Close the gate. Closed. Alright, you can do it yourself now.